Welcome to Credit Josh YouTube channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It is Josh. That's right, Credit Josh. Welcome to the YouTube channel. This channel is about everything personal credit, showing you how to get personal credit cards, how to repair personal credit, anything to do with personal credit. That's what Credit Josh is about. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I have tons of new content coming out on how to repair, fix, or build your personal credit, and how to get as many credit cards as you want or obtain the credit that you need. Anyways, with all that being said, I have a special guest here, Dimitri. He's been on both channels, Credit Josh and Get Business Credit. So in this video series, it's about how to remove collections. So with all that being said, I'm gonna let him take it over. So take it over, Dimitri, a little short history about yourself and then take it over.
Thank you so much, Josh, for having me again. My name is Dimitri Malyshev. I run creditrepairco.net. I'm a mortgage broker and real estate broker here in California. And me and Josh, we're working on the series of videos, how-tos, where we can try, we're trying to help you out so you can actually repair your own credit and, do it the right way. Pretty much, I'm giving you an expert advice, because I've been running a credit repair company for almost 20 years. So we're going to get right to it. We're going to keep it really short. If you miss any information in the video, just shoot us a message and say, look, Dimitri, can you please send us notes of this video? Because we're going to talk about 30 different reasons and 4 different tactics of how to remove collection. All right. So don't worry. If you don't understand something, just shoot us a message using that link below, and I will send you all this information. Okay. So let's talk about the tactic number 1. And the first step we're going to do is to send a letter to credit bureaus to verify the debt. It's called VOD letter. All right. So as a result of this first step, you might get a stall letter or you might get collection removed. And if you get a stall letter, you follow up with the second step, which is reinvestigation request, and send them a warning letter. So if that doesn't get collection removed, you move to step 3, CFPB report for each bureau outlining the problem, which, and I give you about 30 reasons what to look for when you look at how your collection is being reported. And when you find those factual inaccuracies, that's what you put in your, report with CFPB. And if that doesn't work, paper delete is always the last option. But remember, you have to get an agreement, hopefully in writing. Even over the phone, sometimes I know it works. So that's tactic number 1. I'm going to keep it really, really short. If you need a tactic number 2, 3, and 4, send us a message and we'll send you all the information. Now, what I want you to be aware of is that so many mistakes are, each account is being used like in order for creditor to report each account, they have to describe it in a way where the machine, reads that information and they connect the dots and they figure, oh, okay, this account belongs to you. So I give you 30 things to look after when you're actually looking for discrepancies or mistakes. Number 1, have you received the notice of the debt before it was sent to the collection? Sometimes it doesn't happen. Maybe you moved, okay? So you really had no idea. So maybe the debt is not even yours. Maybe it's someone with similar name. Maybe you already settled the debt before or it's been paid off. Now, this is a big one. The collection agency might not even be licensed to collect and operate in your state. Okay, you can check online and see if they're actually licensed to collect in your state. Maybe the amount is incorrect. And the next one is also pretty big. This is just number 6. I have the list of 30. All right. So maybe the statute of limitation is already past due. Maybe the collection is too old and they cannot collect legally, in your state. Okay. So maybe the debt was discharged already in bankruptcy. Okay, so
it's very common too. The zombie debt's very common because it gets resold by pennies on the dollar for 10 years later, 5 years. I still have something from a library card, overdue fees from when I was like 18 years old. That was like, 25 years ago, and they're still contacting for like $72. It was only 14, but it's like $72 with fees.
We promise to keep it short. So these are all the reasons, I'm going to send it to you. Just shoot us a message. Now, when you get an unexpected phone call from a debt collector, a couple of suggestions. What you should do and should not do. Do not admit the debt. Even if you think you recognize the debt, don't say anything. Most importantly, do not provide any bank account information or any other personal information, and document any agreements you reach with them. Okay, so those 3 things. So if you need the info, just send us a message at the link below, and I'll be more than happy to send you all of those reasons and steps and tactics absolutely free. All right, and if you do need help, reach out to us and we'll take care of that too. Thank you so much, John.
Yeah, definitely. So you guys just check below. I will have all the information below to get the free PDF information about this. It doesn't cost you anything. And then also, if you need further help, I'll have Dimitri's information as well. I've known him for 15 years. He's personally helped me, my wife, and some family members, and plenty of Get Business Credit and Credit Josh viewers as well. So you guys just check out the information below, and also check out the playlist that I'll have at the end of this video. It will have a playlist just of Dimitri's videos that we did in the past and what we're doing now. And they're touching on individual topics, and he can send you a PDF about each individual topic. All right. So with all that being said, you guys take care. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'd really appreciate it. That's all.